Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. It's been a long time since we've done one of these. A lot of people have asked for it, so what we're going to do is a tour, a quick update on what's for sale, quick update on the workshop. We've also got some exciting news on a new showroom which we'll get onto. First thing you'll notice as well is the merchandise. So these hoodies, we'll cut to some shots of this. It's a brand new product, so rather than a uniform range, we've actually got some hoodies available. They'll be uploaded to the website soon. Like everything, we like to check it all out first. So we're checking this, checking how it washes, so on and so forth, and then once we're happy with it, we'll get those onto the web shop. But yeah, really pleased we've got the branding on these, and they'll be hitting the website soon. So let's look along the pitch and see what we have for sale on the forecourt today. First one is the ABT SQ8. This is a stunner, so 650 horsepower now, more power than a Lamborghini Urus. All the specification, Bang & Olufsen, panoramic sunroof, 23-inch wheels. That's just dropped below 100k now, so 99,995. Real good value for that type of car. So much power and performance, and also so comfortable as well. The next one, we've got this 6.1. So we sold this originally, we brought this one back in. It's available for sale now, 56,995 plus VAT. All the toys, so it's a factory combi. It's in a Nagaro blue contrast, which is inspired by the RS4s and that sort of thing. It's got a slide pod in the back, you know, black wrapped roof, so on and so forth. So really stunning piece of kit. Lots and lots of specification, LED headlights, Discover Media, Audison audio upgrade, everything you'd expect. This one's a brand spanking new, so it's a delivery mileage, pre-registered vehicle. So this is a, again, 204 DSG Highline, LED headlights, LED tail lights, Discover Media. It's a converted panel van, so we've added a rear bench seat. It's also got the 1+1 front seating, which is the most desirable. 59,995 plus VAT, this one. The contrast on this is actually a BMW teal, so really pleased with how that come out. We've done a few in the past, but yeah, BMW teal contrast. Love to know what you think in the comments on this one. I don't think it'll be around too long. The next one we've got, we're selling this on behalf of a customer. They've also got an RS5R. They're based in Scotland. Do a lot of work with them, but this stunning, it's an ABT S3, every possible option from ABT on it. We've got the wing vents, the roll bars, the tuning. They've actually been out to Kempton and checked the tuning. We've got the graphs to prove the power that's been done on that. This Maxton front end, ABT GR 20-inch wheels on this as well, so lots and lots of ABT options. Really good value at 34,995 on this S3. The next one we've done a separate video on before, but this stunning camper. So it's again 204 DSG Highline, as all our vans are around here. LED headlights, absolutely top specification camper. Solar system, hot water system, shower, elevating roof, so on and so forth, awning. Yeah, too much to discuss in this video. But if you head across to the separate link, you'll see that on our website. 73,350 plus VAT for this camper. Next one we've got is the RS3R. This is one of our demonstrator vehicles that's now available for sale. So it's just dropped below 90k, 89,995, and what a car it is for that. 500 horsepower, one of 200 cars worldwide, full carbon kit, absolutely stunning. We've done lots of videos on this. We've taken it out to Germany for testing and proving, that sort of thing. But yeah, that's on the website now, available for sale. Absolutely unbelievable car. Next one's an RS4R. So there's only ever 50 of these. There's only 2 or 3 right-hand drive models, so really rare car. We sold this originally. It's now back in, available for sale. So I think it's around 3 years old off the top of my head. I'll have to check the specification. Nardo grey, lots and lots of spec, full carbon kit, 530 horsepower, 21-inch wheels. Absolutely amazing piece of kit. Very impressed with those cars. Next, we've got a brand spanking new RSQ8. So that's another project for us. So the car next to it, we can probably look at these two together. The one to the left of it is an RSQ8S by ABT. It's also got the extreme power upgrade, so the higher of the 2 power upgrades, so 740 rather than 700 horsepower, which is absolutely incredible. As you can see from the shots from the front, the difference is amazing. I mean, this particular one has also got a carbon bonnet. The car's now sold. It's going off to its lucky new owner. So generally we wouldn't be doing the Mansouri bonnet as well. This particular customer wanted that option, which is absolutely fine. We can do that as well. But yeah, it's just amazing to see the difference between what we start with, what we end with. So in the next few weeks, this one will be converted to an RS Q8S and it'll be available for sale on our website. So next we're going to head into the workshop and see what's going on in there. Okay, so as we move to the indoor sales area and also the workshop, as just the first thing you'll see behind me, we've got these stunning two vehicles. On this side we've got this amazing chrome yellow ABT T6.1. We've actually done some filming earlier over at the stadium, absolutely impressive. We had 2 or 3 people come up, they couldn't believe it, they were just like, what's this about, I've not seen this before. Really bright colours, I think with the gloss black trim and the yellow brakes as well, really sets it off. So yeah, it's a relatively new colour to the range. I think it's done absolutely perfectly with the ABT kit on it and the wheels to complement it. The other one we've got here is this RS6R. It's actually the last of the RS6Rs. So this was ordered literally prior to COVID. The customer wanted cognac interior with black paintwork, a special black, and also ceramic brakes. So clearly nothing available from stock. We actually factory ordered it, and it's been nearly a 3-year wait. But yeah, as far as I'm aware, it's literally the last ever RS6R to be produced. So the 125th car, which is absolutely amazing for our customer. As we then come further down into the workshop, we've got this RS7R. We've done videos on this one before, that's ready to be delivered now, but yeah, absolutely stunning piece of kit. Nardo grey RS7R. We don't see many RS7R. This has got the ceramic brake upgrade on it as well. It's got a straight through exhaust, absolutely unbelievable. As we're in this area, originally there was a lift here, and that's now all been moved around. So what you'll also notice, we're shuffled around in the workshop in preparation for the workshop. So in preparation for our showroom, I should say. So this end of the workshop, we're actually cutting through into here for a vehicle entrance into the showroom, which is why we've moved all these lifts around, but we'll touch on that a little bit later. Next one, we've got this stunning ABT RS6 C7. This is a regular car to us for not only the ABT kit, but also regular maintenance. This is actually in today for rear brakes, so rear discs and pads. That's the other thing we offer. So it's not just ABT kits and whatever else. We do regular servicing work using the proper oils. We go online, update the service records accordingly to official records. This one here, so this is an A4 Avant directly in from the dealer. We do a lot of this now, so for a lot of the accessories, it's probably more economic for ourselves to fit the kit rather than the dealer. So this one's come in from a local Audi dealer. Front and rear witness cameras. As you can see, it's still even in its covers before it goes out. It's across here to get those accessories fitted. So yeah, really strong relationship with a number of Audi dealers, you know, which is perfect, which is what we're up to there. Behind me, T6.1. This one's in for Bilstein suspension, which is fitted. It's now waiting for its wheels, which look like they've just arrived. So that's going to have wheels fitted, geometry, and then that one's ready to go. So it's not just complete builds we do here, we literally do suspension and a set of wheels, as well as, you know, we cover all bases. On this ramp, we've got Elliot working on a RS3R. So the kit's now fitted, the wheels are on, forged wheels as you know on these kits. I forget the colour, Kalami grey maybe, something like that, but absolutely stunning colour. I think it shows off the carbon as well, so the black works for certain customers, but I think with that kind of bluey grey really works with the carbon as well. So now all that's done, we're just in the process of fitting the exhaust system to this car. Next one in the line, this is another SQ8. So in terms of black Q8s and SQ8s, we've got the full house today. This one's inspired by our SQ8 demos. The customer's opted for a full kit. We're also going to be wrapping this in Nardo grey after that. So once the ABT kit's fitted, it will look like the first car we looked at earlier. It's then going across to Philemize. They're going to then be wrapping it all, so the body kit and the rest of the car, in a Nardo grey. As we move to the back of the workshop, so we've now got 2 new ramps up here. These are both brand new. So we've just moved further down the facility. We're using the full length of this now as we've grown into the facility basically. Both of these ramps are geometry ramps, so the Pro Align 2 system can be set up on either one. It basically just means we can double up our builds. So on here we've got a T6.1 in for our full conversions. This is a sales car, sales van I should say. We've actually got 5 other 6.1s in build, so they're coming through quite nicely now. As quick as they're coming in, they come onto this one, they'll get built up. So we've got another 2 Indian Greys and another 2 black vehicles out the back in preparation, so coming through quite nicely. So now what we're going to do, we're going to head into the showroom area, or the office as it is now, which is going to be a showroom, and let's have a look what we're up to. Okay, so now we move into the existing office area, and this is where the biggest change is at the moment. So really exciting project. I've got to admit, really looking forward to this one. So excuse the mess, we're literally in the middle of building work already, but this is where it's all starting to happen. So what we've got, this area here, which we showed you on the other side of the workshop, this is all being knocked out. There's going to be a roller shutter door in here, and then a covering, and this is going to be the entrance into this. So it's going to be a full showroom area. 3 cars across the front, 3 of our most exclusive cars, and a 4th car in this area here basically. So yeah, lots and lots of work going on, complete transformation. The entire floor is being ripped up. That's all going to be like a Cardine, nice wood effect grey floor. Over here at the main entrance, so at the moment we've got a side entrance which is a little bit, I guess, trade. This complete section here is going to be knocked down. There's a full shop front going in there. It's a full glass shop front with an illuminated sign, which is absolutely perfect. This kitchen area is all going. So this is all going into a different part of the building for it to become a staff canteen. This is then going to be redone as a customer-friendly area. So the idea is we're going to have a breakfast bar pointing out from here, nice coffee machine, nice sink, that sort of thing. A couple of workstations where a customer can come along, work on their laptop, do their emails, so on and so forth, while their cars are being worked on. We've also got a cupboard in here. So this is being transformed. So this is going to be a customer toilet area. So we're just emptying out all the kit at the moment. They're putting the fans in there, kitting it all out. So we don't have a downstairs toilet area specifically for customers as well. Okay, so as we move down to the main area of the office, the right hand side, this will remain a customer lounge. There's going to be settees, television across there. All of these desks on the left are going to be moved. So this is all being ripped up. This will all be vehicle displays. There'll be no desks in this area at all. My current office, I'm moving out of there. So this is going to become a sales office. It'll be a lot neater. There'll just be a small table in there. The idea is if we're discussing finance and vehicle sales, we can sit in there with a customer privately to discuss the finer detail. The other big change in here is this office. So literally as we move into a building site, this is a massive work in progress. So what we're creating here is new offices. This is an existing meeting room. We're moving everything further down the building. So this hole has been cut in the door over the past couple of days. Already we're starting to get the power in on the walls, the data ports. We've got CCTV going in on the wall up there. So they've already started to knock through. So essentially all of the desks that are in the existing office area are moving into here to create enough space for the showroom. So we're just going a little bit further back into the building, moving the offices along a bit. But yeah, no, really excited to see the outcome. It's been several months in the making, but I think around sort of August or very early September we should be complete. And yeah, why don't we look at an open day to obviously get everyone down to have a look at the new facility. It'd be great to have 3 or 4 really nice, clean, top of the range cars in here. Just creates more space rather than having everything outside. I think it's just the next stage of the growth of the business really. So we'd love to know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch up in the next video.